This is the application. Double click on the file, open, then the patient data page will be opened here. Enter the name of the patient, select the referral doctor from the list, select the radiologist, go to new study. All the normal defaults will be loaded here, and enter the prostate size, 3 measurements, then the volume will be calculated. Enter PSA, and PSA density is calculated here. Then enter the clinical details. Then if it is a normal scan, just generate full report here, and all the report will be generated here with Pirads 1. Then you can print it here from this button. Then all the normal report will be generated and ready to print it here. Because this is Pirads 1, it is colored in green. That's all if it is a normal report. Or for example, if T2W image gives heterogeneous signal intensity, and it gives focal intensity in DWI, focal intensity in ADC, and no extracapsular extension. Now, if we generate the lesion report, it gives Pirads 3, and it gives in the report also Pirads version Pirads 3. Now generate the full report here and print it. It will give the printing image like this. On the second page, it highlights the Pirads 3 with yellow with recommendations of biopsy. Now, for example, select peripheral zone. Again, select DWI adequate or not. Let us assume contrast enhancement is negative. Select the size is right and level at base, lesion size. Then now how it looks in peripheral zone. Let us select one of these. It's a wedge-shaped hypointensity, and in DWI sequence also wedge-shaped, and in ADC wedge-shaped hypointense. Now generate the report. It will ask you to clear it. I'll clear the report and generate again. Now it is, the lesion is Pirads 2, and it describes the wedge-shaped lesion. And now generate full report and print it. How it looks. It is Pirads 2. It is highlighted here, and biopsy recommendations. You can mark it with a pen before giving the report. Not only for reporting, but also you can use this application for education board. For this, you have to click here and select the checkbox, so you'll see the messages. Now you select for example transition zone, and you select it is completely encapsulated. Now you see the example where the lesion looks completely encapsulated. Now you select mostly encapsulated. You see the example mostly encapsulated. Lenticular, for example, you see the lenticular. So you can see the examples. Now you select focal hyperintensity in DWI and select ADC and generate report. It will give the logic of how Pirads is calculated with these findings. Now generate the full report and print it. It will give Pirads 4 and it is indicated in the recommendation table. Now for another example, let us select peripheral zone and keep all this thing. I will select the lesion size, for example 23, and in the peripheral zone I will select heterogeneous signal intensity, and in the DWI I select markedly hyperintense, and you will see example of markedly hyperintense lesion in DWI and hypointense lesion in ADC. And in ADC also I'll select markedly hyperintense, so it will show markedly hypointense. Now I'll select the lesion report. It will give you Pirads 5 because both are markedly hyperintense, markedly intense change, and the lesion size is 23. So if the lesion size is more than 15, it gives Pirads 5. This application will give the logic of Pirate classification according to this table. If the zone type is peripheral zone, TWI will be the dominant sequence, and if it is transition zone, T2W is the dominant sequence. And if DCE is negative, this 3 lesion sequence lesion will be Pirads 3, and if it is positive, it is Pirads 4. So if the lesion size is less than 15 millimeters, it is Pirads 4, and if it is more than 15 centimeters, 15 millimeters, it is Pirads 5. You can use this application as a reporting mode or education mode. To see education mode, click here and check this box. So now the text messages will be visible. Click OK, and for example, if you identification of the sequences, click here and you will see how the different sequences look like. This is T2W. The anatomy is seen better in T2W, and this is ADC, DWI, this is DWI, and this is contrast enhanced. And even if you select this box, if it is completely encapsulated, and you will see the example of completely encapsulated nodule, or if it is mostly encapsulated, you will see the example, and if it is non-subscribed, you'll see the example. Even while generating the report also, if you generate the lesion report, you will see the message why this particular lesion is Pirads 5, because the lesion size is 23 and the sequence score is 5. So this is the rule. And for example, select, this is, let us see, heterogeneous. You'll see the example. And if you see the generate report, it will be Pirads 3. If, for example, if it is lenticular and the lesion size is 12, now if we generate the report, it will be Pirads 4. And if the lesion size is more than 15, it will be Pirads 5. Download this application from my Google Drive. Click download. Click download anyway. And in a few seconds it is downloaded. Then open the folder and click on this application. And you have to close this one and select options and enable the content and click OK. Then only it will open. Otherwise, the security options will prevent it from opening. So now open it. You will see the opening page.